Today I want to discuss the second problem of Starter 167 contest problem of CODESAP, uh, the delete not equal problem. So before write the code, first I will understand the problem statement, and then I will dry run the code of examples, and then we go for approach how I solve this problem. Okay, so let's start by understanding the problem. In this problem, basically we given a binary string s, okay, and we can perform the following operation as many times as we want. Okay, and given choose I such that our I is belongs to 1 to mod s and si is not equal to si plus 1, means the ith character is not equal to ith plus 1 character of any string. ठीक, and either delete si या si plus 1 from the string and then concatenate the remaining part of the string, and afterward find the minimum final length of the string s after performing some possibly zero number of operations. So before write the code, let's do dry run the code. Okay, basically we given a string as, okay, uh, the input is this, sorry, let's do dry run for these examples. Here we given an size of a string is n equal to 4. Okay, n is equal to 4, and in questions basically given the conditions, if our character not equal to the next index, then we either delete si or si plus 1, and then we return the final length of the string s. So here we iterate in the string by index 0. Zeroth index, 1th index, second and third index. And when we compare the 0th and 1th index, both characters are not equal, means we can delete any of the character. So let's delete the this part. Okay, and then our final string is 0 1 and 0, and then we check this part also not equal to the character at this index and this, so we delete this part, and finally our string becomes this, and then we it's also not equal to, then we delete any of them, we delete this, finally we got this, and length of this string is 1. Okay, okay, let's check for this example. In this example, basically given a two length, two size of a string, and the zeroth characters is also 0, and first is also a 0, sorry, so both characters are equal, that's why I can't delete any of one of them, so our final output of the length of a string is 2. Okay, and suppose our string is this 1 1 1 1 1 1, all are equal, this means our answer for this string is the length of the string, because we can't delete any character of the string, that's why our answer for this string is the length of the string. Same for if if our string is this, then at this, for this examples, our answer is also the length of the string. Okay, so we conclude that from both examples of this string, if our character of string is all equal character, all are equal character, then we simply return the length of the string, and if our string consists 1 and 0 both, then in all cases our output is single 1, means our length of the string is 1 if any string consists both 1 and 0. Okay, and this is the conclusion of these questions. So let's write the code. uh, First, see the input format of the questions. The first line of input will contain a single integer t, the number of test cases. Okay, and then each test cases consist of multiple line of input. The first line contains the n, that is the length of the string, and second line contains as a binary string, sorry, and then we iterate in the string. Okay, and take a variable count 0 and count 1, and initialize with 0, and then we count 0 string, then we count the character where if our sorry if our character is equal to 0, then we increase the count 0, else we increase the count 1. If our string, if our character of string is 1, then we increase the count 1 variable. Okay, and apply the logic that that I will conclude in this examples. Means if our count 0 is equal to the length of the string, yeah, count 1 is equal to length of the string, then we simply see out the n, the length of the string, else we return in all cases simply our answer is 1. Then we check, then we run the code, run our code. Yeah, and submit. Yeah, it's a correct answer. So thank you guys. I hope you understand the problem and also understand the logic of the problem by doing this try run. Thank you for watching the solutions.